divorced families face a conundrum whenever one of the parents needs to relocate, either for work or for personal reasons. Usually, the non-custodial parent can move without any trouble, but the parent who holds primary custody must request formal permission from the court. Cordell Cordell Tulsa attorney Colby Pearce says that in Oklahoma, advance notice of the move must be given along with the date of the move, the address, and contact information.
The person who is designated primary physical custodian can ask the court to relocate, and they have to provide notice to the other side. And in the notice, they have to set forth the date of the intended relocation. They have to set forth the address where the children and the parent are going to relocate. They have to telephone number, and the notice has to be sent no greater than 60 days before the intended move. So there's all these different requirements, statutory requirements that the custodial parent has to follow before the court can even make a decision on whether to allow the relocation or not. Failure to follow those notice requirements can actually be a factor in the court deciding not to allow the relocation to take place with the kids. So it's very, very, very important to follow the statutory requirements.
After that notice is given, the non-custodial parent has 30 days to file an objection, and if the parties can't come to an agreement, then a hearing is set and a judge will decide whether or not the relocation is allowed to move forward.
At this hearing, or sometimes even a trial, we call it both, evidence is then presented, and the person who is seeking the relocation with the kids has the burden of proof to show that the move is made in good faith. In Oklahoma and other states, I'm sure have interpreted that good faith requirement to basically mean, you're not trying to deprive the other parent of their time with the child. You're not trying to move away from there, so the kids don't have that meaningful relationship with the other parent. You have an actual reason that you're moving, whether it be you want to go to a different state because you have better employment opportunities, whether you have a new love interest in another state and that's where they live and you want to be closer to them. You basically just have to show, hey, I'm not doing this to deprive the other parent of the time with their kids. I'm doing it because there's a legitimate reason.
To read more about child custody issues that parents face when relocating, visit DadsDivorce.com. That'll do it for another episode. I'm Sean Garrison, editor of DadsDivorce.com. Thank you for watching.